Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and doing well. Today we are going to start the properties of complex numbers. As we already have done some properties in the previous video, now we are going to start from property number 6. As you all know that what is additive inverse? The additive inverse means whenever we add the same real number with negative sign, the answer will be 0. Means the additive inverse means that answer should be 0. So whenever we have a complex number, yani, that is z is equals to a plus b iota. So the additive inverse of a is minus a, and the additive inverse of b is minus b. So when we add a plus b iota with minus b iota, so answer will be 0. So this is inverse element or additive inverse property. Now what is multiplicative inverse property? The multiplicative inverse property means that we will get the answer 1. So whenever we multiply a minus b iota with a square plus b square, the answer will be 1. How? We will put the value, we will change the value in iota form. So whenever we will change the value in iota form, so 1 by z is equals to a minus b iota by a square plus b square. So when we will change it, so the when we will cancel the values, so it will be the formula and we will get the answer 1. All right, so this is inverse element. Now, what is complex conjugate? The complex conjugate means if z is equals to a plus b iota, whenever we take the conjugate of a complex number, we will change the sign of imaginary part. Here we have a plus b iota, as we all know that a is a real part and b is the imaginary part. So whenever we change the sign, we will take the conjugate, we will change the sign. Means we have plus b, so the sign will be minus b. So whenever we take the conjugate of a complex number, the value will be, if we have a plus b iota, so it will be changed into a minus b iota. The sign of imaginary part will be changed. If the value will be in negative sign and we will take the conjugate, so it will be positive. Now this is the important property, that whenever we multiply z with its conjugate, so it will be is equals to a square plus b square. Now what is modulus? Modulus or magnitude, both are same. Whenever we take modulus or magnitude of a complex number, we have the formula radical a square plus b square. Alright. Now for example, we have a complex number 2 plus 3 iota. So we will take a square plus b square. As we all know that 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. Because of modulus, because of magnitude, we will take that modulus of a complex number is always equals to radical a square plus b square. So it will be equals to radical 13. Alright. Whenever we have the modulus sign with two complex numbers, means we have z1 and z2. z1 is multiplying with z2 and we are taking modulus or magnitude, so we can write it in the separate form, means modulus z1 modulus z2. In both the condition we will get the same result. Now what is complex plane? As whenever we draw graph, we have two axes, horizontal axis and vertical axis. We always take the value of a, means the real axis on horizontal axis, and means on x-axis. Whenever we draw the graph, we take real axis on a horizontal axis, means on the x-axis, and the value of imaginary part we will always take on y-axis, means in a vertical axis. So the point a and b represents complex number, that is a plus b iota. Alright, and modulus is the distance from the origin to z. As we all know that origin point is the 0 point, means where x-axis and y-axis meet with each other, that is the origin point. So this is the modulus, is the distance from the origin to z. Now we have some formulas for applying the operations on a complex number. Whenever we have to add two complex numbers, means we have two complex numbers. First one is a plus b iota, and the second complex number is c plus d iota. So whenever we add, how we can add? We always add real parts with each other and imaginary parts with each other. So the formula will be a plus c and plus b plus d iota, means we will add real part with each other and imaginary parts with each other. Now what is the formula for subtraction? As in the addition we add real parts and we add imaginary parts, same as in the subtraction we subtract real parts and then we subtract imaginary parts. Now what is the rule for multiplication? In the multiplication we will multiply, we have the formula a into c, b into d, all right, then plus ad and bc. As with b d we have imaginary, b and d are imaginary parts, so we will take iota common with AD and BC. We will take iota as a common because this is an imaginary part. So division is performed using the conjugate. Alright. Whenever we will take division is performed using the conjugate. These are the properties of complex number. Here are some examples. You can solve it. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow in the next video. Allah Hafiz.